In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook and Instagram business account step by step. Setting up both accounts allows you to promote your business, run ads, and manage everything from one place using Meta Business Suite. First, open the Facebook app or visit facebook.com and sign in to your personal Facebook account. Tap the menu icon, select Pages, then tap Create New Page. Enter your business name, choose a category, add a description, and complete the setup. Next, open the Instagram app and sign in, or create a new Instagram account. Go to your profile, tap the menu icon, then open Settings and Privacy. Tap Account Type and Tools, select Switch to Professional Account, and choose Business. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your Instagram business account. After that, open Meta Business Suite and sign in with your Facebook account. Connect your Facebook page and Instagram business account to manage posts, messages, ads, and insights from one dashboard. That's how you can create Facebook and Instagram business accounts and manage them together using Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.